Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well, and welcome to the update on CKB. CKB has recently broken out a falling wedge pattern. Here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that since after 3rd of Feb 2024, it was 2025, it was moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, and finally the price line broke out the resistance. And for a while, the price line also broke out this long-term resistance of $0.00535 and also broke out this very long-term uptrend line resistance as well, but could not save these levels as in support and broke down both support levels. And now if we move to the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that it was still breaking out these resistance levels. On this resistance of 5.00535, it broke out on the 7-day time frame chart, but could not break out the uptrend line resistance and got rejected. We could not have the closing of the candlestick above this uptrend line resistance. By the way, this uptrend line has been working as a very strong and long-term support and uptrend line support of the previous up channel that is now acting as a resistance. Previously, it was also working as a support here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another falling wedge pattern that is formed here on the 7-day time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for TUT, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 22nd of April 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that first the price and drop down and to the buying zone here. Then we had a nice reversal. Now let's move to the live chart of CKB. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it had been moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Now, recently we had broken out the resistance of the wedge, and it was very close to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, by the way. And that target is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $0.00785. That was recently working as a resistance here. You can see that we got rejection here, and before that, it was working as a support here for a few days. Therefore, now again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line, and it is also the target for the breakout from this wedge. But before that, we will need to break out this long-term resistance of $0.00535 and this uptrend line resistance as well. And I'm expecting that as soon as the price line hits the target for the breakout from the Fed, then soon it can also hit this long-term up downtrend line resistance as well. That is in fact the resistance of a big falling wedge pattern on the 7-day time frame chart. If you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that here we have a very long-term falling wedge formation. And by the way, this support of the wedge was previously acting as a resistance. I'm sorry, this resistance is slightly moved. Here we have the support of this wedge that was acting as a resistance here. You can see that we got rejection here. And now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a support. And here we have the long-term down trend line resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now here, let me to adjust this trend line slightly more. Here you can see we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And for a while, the price moved slightly down in the support and now it is geared up. And now, if we take a look at the target in case of breaking out this falling wedge pattern, then bigger target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 3.5 cents to 4.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.